So we're going to talk about open and close questions and, the techniques you can use basically to get even more information from your clients. And again, this is something that you work with a lot here. So how would you be using open and close questions?
First of all, if you have 20% of the time to talk and the client would talk 80%, you have to choose your questions. And there will be no answers. If you use open questions with the clients, then the client will talk a lot. John, do you like your hair?
I do. Now I do. I didn't do a few years ago, but now I do. Yeah.
Okay, why?
I have a lot of hair. I'm just looking in the mirror. No, but...
you know that can change over time, yeah?
Some have told me, but I'm starting to get grays, and they say that people who get gray early get to keep their hair. I mean, that's what I'm betting on.
Okay, you talked 80% of the time. I talked 20% of the time.
Yeah.
I had 2 small questions, and you gave me a lot of information.
Yeah.
Okay, now I know what type of product I'm going to sell to you.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and if you have women in your share, it's the same, and they will talk even more. That's my experience. Men talk a little bit less and normally about their hair than women, and women can talk for how long time as you want. To train to have open questions to your clients is something that will gain so much information, and you will use it later on when we come to the casa, or later on when I style your hair. I will say, John, as you said, you have a lot of hair and you like it. This product will make the hair a little bit tighter, so it won't be so round, and the curls that you have will be increased. And even if it's moisty outside, it never gets frizzy because it has a filter in it that makes it stay curly. Okay. So I use the information, and I always use, as you said to me from the open question, I can get back to you. Yeah. So what happens when you come to the casa, it's no problem to sell a treatment or to sell a product or to make you book your next time. It's very, very easy because, as you said, you liked your hair now because it's a lot. Yeah. And I would say that you come to me after 7 weeks, and after 3.5 weeks, we book a trim.
Yeah.
Then you will never, ever, ever look ugly.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I use the information, and I always get back to, as you said, because then you have the feeling that you decided to have that product. Yeah. So exactly. The product is sold 20 minutes before we come to the casa. I don't sell the products in the casa. Yeah. I go and get the product when I style you, and you apply it like this. You have so much hair, as you said, and you like it, as you said, and this will be the solution for you. And I put it in your hands, the products, and you will bring it and you will buy it.
Yeah. Yeah.
There's no problem, because, as you said, it's your way of having the solution.
Yeah, no, and that's very true. Just like hearing that, of course, I feel like I've already asked for that product, right? It was me asking for that product. It's not you coming now and, selling
because
something.
I used the open question technique.
Yeah.
And you gave me the answer, and I can get back to you and say, as you said.
Yeah.
Then it's your way of finding the product.
Yeah. So it's the combination of those, right? The open questions, getting the information, and then using the as you said, like
you said.
When you're gonna
it's very, very easy, and try it. If you don't use it, try it. It's amazingly easy. Think out 3-4 open questions. Let the clients talk, and when you come to the styling, all the products that they need is in there. All the thing to get them rebooking a time to the next time, so you own the client, is in there. As you said, it's important for you that it doesn't get too big. Yeah. You have to come to me in 7 weeks.
Yeah.
We book a little trim for 5 minutes for 3.5 weeks.
Yeah.
It works, man.
Awesome.
It works.
And so easy. So,
very easy.
That's the takeaway from this lesson. Ask open questions and come back with the as you said, right?
Yeah.
And we'll see you inside of the next lesson.